Have you ever wondered how massive chunks of marble are cut from mountains? These natural wonders are extracted using specialized tools like chainsaws and diamond wire to slice through the massive stone blocks. We're talking about pieces weighing tons, so heavy-duty equipment is essential to move them safely. Once the blocks arrive at their destination, they're carefully sliced along their natural grain to reveal the stunning patterns and veining inside. Marble is cut into thin slabs or square tiles. This precise process transforms the raw stone into a breathtaking material that can breathe new life into buildings and interiors. Stay curious, subscribe and like for more educational content every day.